So my current website is this website, shirtactive.com, and I have made it using WordPress. Okay, and you can go through this website, and basically I need what the problem here is that this website is not approved by Google Merchant account. And the reason they state is that it is misrepresented. So there's a, I can show you right now real quick. So when I come here, shirtactive.com, and the products are disapproved, I go to my account, and it tells me that the reason for that is misrepresentation, and it tells me to add the contact method, business address, phone number, email, contact form, social media, business profile. This is the only thing I don't have, but I do have everything else. And then I do have this business address and phone number added here as well in the business information, which is the same as the one that's on the website. Okay, I have all the policies here. There are no placeholders or anything like that, so everything works fine. You can go through the details of what's wrong with it and try to see if you could work it. But what I'm trying to do is somebody told me earlier today that this website, sutrend.com, is approved by Google Merchant account, and they only have 4 products, and this is made through Shopify. Okay, you could go, you could search this website up, sutrend.com, and see why it's approved. My idea is I wouldn't want this on the main page because that's just a product that's on the main page. I don't want that. I don't want it like this. I do want it to look somewhat like this, just a couple of products on the front page. And this is their information that they have. It looks somewhat similar to what I have, almost the same. But apparently this is approved by Google Merchant account. Okay, I'm not sure what the reason for that is. And I want basically shirtactive.com to be approved by Google. And if it needs to be recreated from scratch, if you need to make a new website and just have this stuff in there, like whatever is on this website, if you could clone this version. I don't have access to the back end of this website, so if you can make a clone version of this, copy it however, and it is approved by Google, then we've completed the job. It needs to be approved by Google Merchant before you get paid or whatever. So this is what it looks like. This is made with Shopify, and if you think that we need to make the website with Shopify, if you're more of an expert at that, then that's fine. If you don't think it makes a difference whether it's done through Shopify or WordPress, then I've been sticking to WordPress for a while, and I don't mind staying with that. With that being said, however, if it needs to be built from scratch, maybe there's a glitch in the website that Google keeps detecting and that they're not able to approve my website. But for some reason, this one, as stated by someone that I spoke to earlier, this website is approved. So maybe you could copy this exact one and just change the information on here to whatever I have here. I do have the address, I do have the information. So if you could, if that's what's going to fix it, then sure. But it does need to be approved by Google Merchant account. As long as we have that, even if you put just maybe 2 products or 3 products out of these, just to get it approved, once it's approved, I could add the other products. That's not a problem, okay? But I just need it to be approved by Google, creating whatever you need to create to make sure that that's done. So please let me know what information you need, and we go from there. Thank you.